You at Barracks 1, Connor?
Yeah.
Where do you move?
I'm in the bush on looking Barracks 1 and 2.
Give me a minute there.
I'm just giving Connor cover while he goes into the barracks.
Fucking where are you in?
I'm in the bush behind you.
Yeah, I can move this fucking bush.
No, Connor wants me here,
Alright.
so I can look. If you wait there, you can see around, and I can see around as well.
Before that's to give you fucking clips for your gun, but if you don't want them, it's alright.
Okay, I'll come on.
No, that's alright, I'm gonna... I'll keep them for now.
Go on, I'm here now.
I'm gonna need your knee.
What's that for? AKM.
An AKM clip, yeah.
AKM,
Yeah, there's a 11 ammo in it.
Why is there bus?
I need an AK-7 for you clip.
you need an AK-7.
There's a truck. Can you hear it?
Yeah, yeah. Where is he? Probably not bad, it's all standing here.
Did you pick up that clip, yeah?
Get into the other bush, Carl.
I'm not going into no bush. I'm going to find this cunt. I'm gonna steal his truck.
Mushy. Oh.
You just stay there so don't shoot at you.
No. If they're normal themselves
That
anyway.
sun does not fucking help.
Who's that down the bottom? By the tank?
Me? I think.
They're like by the tank.
I'm not buying a tank anymore, so whoever it is, shoot him.
I'll hit him. There's two of them. Luke,
Yeah.
where are you?
In the bush to your left.
Well, yeah, Carl, they're probably by you.
I'm at their truck now.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna steal it, yeah.
Cole's stealing their truck.
Yeah.
And the truck is mine.
Can they see you?
Don't give a fuck, I've got off on it.
Where we are. Make them come.
Yeah, they're coming.
Well, they ain't gonna catch me. So if you dare go into the field, lad, take him out. Are they running after it? Yeah.
I don't know, Luke should have sight over that wall. Yeah. Luke, can you see them?
No.
You should be looking over that wall.
I am looking over the wall. I can't see them.
Well, I don't really want to drive back if they're not dead.
They ran out the base anyway. Towards that direction.
Towards what direction?
Out the base to the gate. You driving again, Carl?
I'm just like slowly coming towards the base so I could see. I can't see them, mate.
One's got like an AK-101 or something.
Did the other have no pants?
Yeah, he was naked. Or hadn't spawned in properly.
I can't see them over this wall and I can't see them in the compound.
No, they ran out the compound unless they circled round.
Fuller's just stole 2 guys' truck.
I'm gonna do a lap around the base.
Yeah, bait them into us. Drive into like where the double barracks are.
No, you're alright, don't fancy getting shot.
We're here with you. We're here at them.
Yeah.
That's like, I wouldn't trust you guys.
No, never would I. You can't shoot quicker than what some people can on this, and all it takes is one shot direct through the window at me and I'm dead. There's no point. You want the truck like they would have come out at me and shot at me, because they can just shoot it down. I'd rather lose me truck if somebody had stolen it on me by shooting it down. They're nowhere to be seen then. So, I don't know what you want to do. Luke, your stream should be fucking on, lad.
That sun's too much. I can't even go out there.
Today,
Where?
In the boat.
one dead, one dead.
I'm watching your stream, lad. Oh, is that defo one of them?
Well, unless Luke hasn't started crying, yeah, so.
Where did you shoot him?
He's outside the fucking barracks. They're in the base. I don't know where the other one is. He's probably logged out, like.
You usually do when the mate gets killed.
Cover me, I'm going to check his body.
I wouldn't trust you to cover him either, John.
SKS. Let's go. No, he's got fuck off. Ooh, rangefinder.
Who's that coming out of the base?
Out of the base, none of us.
Well, someone's out. I can see them, and they're coming in through the thingy. By the barracks 1 and 2. Stood by the bushes. I'm not going close with them on this, like.
No, that's me and Connor. That's me and Connor. Me and Connor are at that gate. I can see you driving the truck outside.
What, could you see over the wall?
No, but you see somebody fucking running in and out like a tool.
Yeah, that was Connor.
I can see all in the base now, me. What he's doing there?
Well, I would like cover to go search.
Search for what? There's nothing in there.
An AK-74U.
Oh, there's 7.4Us in there.
That's all I want, and then we can go.
Go in that first barracks.
That first barracks should be in it.
Well then, that's where the AK-74U was. Go in the other fucking barracks. Come on, let me get out. Luke, go and fucking... Go get in the truck, Luke. Go ahead, Connor, go in.
Change it to me Magnum.
How do I get into the truck?
Same way you do everything. Oh, what's that fucking horrible noise? Sort that noise out, man. Search Connor, I'm lying aiming at the door.
Who's just driving the truck round?
I just wanted them to stay away from the base with it.
AK-74.
That's what you wanted, isn't it?
74U.
Oh, there is none here.
Isn't there?
No, I got the only one. Trying to think if there's any. There might have been one at the Green Mountain. But I'm not too sure.
You guys done yet?
No.
Won't let me out the fucking room.
Crawl. Because you've been moving stuff. Ready to go out, yeah?
Yeah.
What, like, go from here?
Yeah, I'm good to go for now. I've got myself a bit more ammo.
Let's destroy this truck.
Get out.
How do I get out?
I scroll and get out. Real part of drawing attention. Move. Oh, you've already broken it, never mind.
What do you mean I've already broken it?
There's no wheels on it.
There's someone down there.
Where? Down where?
Down the bottom. Down the bottom. By the,
Bottom where? Where's the bottom? The
like,
barracks
away
part?
from us. We should just
can't
make a
see
run for
shit.
it.
Which way?
Down that way. He was at the bottom. I think he had lagged out.
Where? Run whichever way, lad. I don't know
Oh,
where
can you
you're
see
going
him?
about.
He's running across.
Oh, I see him.
Did we get him?
Dunno. Sun's not fucking helping. Keep me cover, Connor. You need to learn on your directions, lad. At the bottom, simulates nowhere. I don't know what the fuck at the bottom is. Yeah, you got him, lad. Good shot.
Shots fired.
Yeah, it was me, you two.
Fuck no, man. Oh my god. What did he have?
No, and Connor ruined everything. Right, let's go. Which way are we going? We're going back down to the coast. It's too hot up here. It'll be even hotter down the coast.